Next, we will discuss about technologies combination used in project development. What are the technologies will be combination used in project development? We will see that when a project comes into a software company, a project designer and manager will decide front-end and back-end development technologies based on the scale, size of the project. In every project design, three things are considered. UI technologies has front-end development and back-end development, programming language technologies. Next, database. These are the technologies combination used in any project development. So as we are seeing the diagram, front-end consists of UI technologies like HTML, CSS, jQuery, Angular, Ajax. And server side consists of back-end technologies like programming languages, Java, .NET, PHP. And Java projects mostly database they use Oracle, and .NET mostly they use SQL Server, PHP with MySQL. In above diagram, we shown one language is communicating with one database. But as per functionality, any language can communicate with any database. In projects, above combination is used for getting best results. In software industry, we will develop a software for automating business operations. Example, bank business. Types of softwares. Every software comes under one of below two types. Either it is project or either it is product. A project is a software that is developed for a particular client requirements, like for any business development, like for banks or any shopping sites. Any website comes, the type of website which is developed for a particular client requirements is called a project. Example, a software developed for bank is a project. A product is also a software that is developed common for many clients for the same requirements. For example, we have operating systems, MS Office like MS Paint or MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. All those comes under product. It's not a project. Java language is also comes under a product. Product-based companies develop products. They are Oracle, IBM, Apache, Microsoft, etc. Project development comes under two levels. New projects. A project under development is called a new project. And maintenance projects. A project whose development is completed and delivered to the client is called maintenance project. It is also called project under production. In this stage, this project is used by end users for doing their transactions. Based on the above two types of projects development, we have two types of teams. They are development team and supporting team. Development team role is developing new projects. Supporting team role is fixing bugs and adding more new enhancements. Those are reported by the customer from the maintenance projects. Enhancements are nothing but extra new features, whatever the client is asking, our customer is asking to make them in their project. Those are done by supporting team. Terminologies used in maintenance projects. Bug or issue. An error occurred in the project execution is called a bug. And replicate. Running the project in the local system and getting this bug in our local system is called replicate. And we have debug. Finding from which program this bug is occurring. Resolve or fix. Solving the bug in the program either by adding new code or by changing or by removing existing code. Patch or service pack. Patch or service pack. A modified program is called a patch. Apply path or service pack. Copying the modified programs in the production system project. Next we have ticket. An entry or a unique number that is created by a client to report an issue to the software company is called a ticket. By using this ticket, a programmer will get to know there is an issue created by a client. Then he or she will start working to resolve this issue on this ticket. Later, client will track the issue status by using this ticket. Once issue is resolved and path is delivered to the client, ticket will be closed with a status message resolved. So these are about projects and whatever the terminologies we will use in project development. You will be having some knowledge what are the terminologies used in companies to develop projects. Thank you.
Was caught in the crossfire.